Do you want to read fun stories in English that are just right for your level? What if I told you that you could create your own stories, personalize them, and read them on your Kindle, all with a little help from AI? Hi everyone, welcome to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO. Today, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to write your own English story, format it for Kindle, and enjoy reading for pleasure, all tailored to your level. Let's get started. Reading for fun is one of the best ways to improve your English. It helps with vocabulary, grammar, and even writing. But finding stories that match your level can be tough. That's where AI comes in. Here's a simple prompt to create a story with ChatGPT if you're at a B1 or B2 level. So, pause the video and take a few minutes to read this prompt. Please copy and change it to suit you and your context. When that's done, you can copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and boom, your own story appears. Let's look at a quick example. This is a story which the prompt generated. Here, we've got the title of the story, its synopsis, and a look at Chapter 1 with its summary at the end. Chapters 2 to 4 would follow a similar format. When I used ChatGPT, it created the story chapter by chapter. So, if I wanted to change anything, I could. For example, after it wrote Chapter 1 and its summary, it asked, "Would you like me to continue writing Chapter 2? If you're happy with Chapter 1, simply answer yes to the question. Do the same thing for all the other chapters of the story." Once your story is ready, copy and paste it into Google Docs. Go to File, click on Download, then click on EPUB publication or EPUB publication. This creates a file that your Kindle can read. Open your Kindle app on your computer. Click File, then click on Import using Send to Kindle. Clicking on this will take you to the Send to Kindle page on Amazon's website, where you will be asked to sign into your Amazon account. After that, you may upload your EPUB story. Wait a few minutes for the document to be processed, and then your story will appear in your Kindle app and device. Now, you can read your own custom English story wherever you are, and talk about it with friends and family by using the discussion questions at the end of the story. Creating your own stories is not just fun, it's powerful. You're improving your English, building confidence, and using real-life tools like Kindle and AI. So, try it today, use the prompt, write your story, and upload it to Kindle. Leave a comment below and share the story title you made. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next English learning adventure. Thanks for watching and happy reading! Until next time, bye!